All right, film this right here so you can see it. So this is how we make the jalapenos. It's jalapeno sliced like this. I'm just doing a 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup water, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 1 garlic clove. That's approximately what's going to go into each one of these, and of course the peppers. And that's the basic recipe, but make sure it's a 1-to-1 ratio of that, and then 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and then a garlic clove. I don't have garlic cloves. I'm going to use minced garlic. Now, when I cut them, what I do is slice them really good, and I like to have them really firm. So I put them in ice and water for an hour or whatever to make sure they're cold. These are very fresh jalapenos that you can see right there. I just picked them from the garden. Now, over here, just regular apple cider vinegar, some minced garlic, and I use the pure sea salt. Now, here's my, there's my boiling apple cider vinegar mixture with water, 1-to-1 water. We're gonna go ahead and just ladle some out. I think I've got 6 cups in here because I've got them, as you can see, I got a lot of jalapenos. So here we go with that. I'll leave that little ladle in there now. I'm gonna turn that down while I'm talking to you. And here's, make sure you boil everything. Everything gets boiled. You can't be too sterile. Okay, now let's take out, I'll reach in here, take out a jar. I'm gonna dump it. All right, make sure you got one of Mom's things there to use. All right, now, so the first thing I do, I'm gonna pull my tablespoon out, or my 1/8 teaspoon out, and some garlic. We'll drop that in there and just put a little bit of that in there. Set that off to the side. Now what I do is I start dropping these things in there and mash them. All right, so you fill that thing up about like that. A little bit more. Push those things in there. A little bit more. What you don't really want, and I don't know how to avoid it, is you don't want it to touch the top of that lid. For whatever reason, it just turns out kind of funny. Now, you come in here, get that, put that on there, and get this, and put that on there. Now, I'm gonna go grab my apple cider vinegar mixture, pour that in there, spill a little bit of it on Mom's dishcloth, go up to about the top, do a little bit more. I like to do it all the way up to the top like that. And the reason being is because these will absorb a little bit. They should absorb a lot less because I soaked them. And that one's done. All right. So then my next one, let's grab another lid or another jar. Dump the water out. Put it down there. Put a little bit of this right there. I already measured out my teaspoon of salt. And it's stuck. Holy snarkies, that's not cool. That's because I had that in there. All right, take a little bit more out, jam them in there. A couple more, jam them in there. And by the way, I like doing the smaller jars. These will last about a year doing it this way, maybe 1.5 years, and then they start getting soft. What I often do, but it's too late in the season, is I put grape leaves in there because that helps keep them firm longer, but it's too late in the year. Grape leaves have already fallen off. So once again, we'll fill this up. And just right up to the top like so. Get my little magnet, pull another one out, pull another, uh-oh, didn't want to stick. All right, jam that mother on there. There you go, and special thanks to my camera crew, Gunnar Diedrich. And that's it. You can shut it off.